quick and easy dip. Got a little chili with bean, little cheese, some diced tomatoes. Gonna heat it up low to medium heat. Add a little hot sauce, a little water. Let it all gel together, mix it up. Get ready for some dip. All right, added some garlic, complete taco seasoning, onion powder, garlic powder. Never add salt to my food because most stuff's got enough in it. Stir it up, keep on stirring until it melts. All right, still stirring and mixing and melting that cheese. Get you some chips ready. Just got them on sale at the grocery store. Pull some cheese over there and it's nacho time. All right, and there it is. Added some taco seasoning, some Texas Pete. Got it all melted up. Pour it over them chips. Get them as wet as you want. You want it hotter? Add some cayenne pepper, some jalapenos, whatever you like. Hit the like, subscribe, follow your boy.